Why is the VAWA case taking so long? It's been a year since I filed mine. At the time, the wait was 34 months. It's 40 months. Does that affect people that filed when the wait time was a lot less? The first question is, why is it taking so long? Honestly, I don't work for USCIS. I wish I could answer and get all my clients a quick approval, but I can't. I suspect the sheer volume of VAWA cases make the packets a little longer to review and process. You're reading people's stories, you're reading briefs, legal arguments, similar to like asylum cases or T cases or U cases, basically cases that require testimony, require just a much more thorough review. So I am suspecting that is why. Now, even though they've said 34 months to 40 months, a lot of what they're saying on there is just what we call an aspirational timeline. It basically means USCIS is saying, do not bother us before this timeline because majority of you are going to get approved by then. It doesn't mean that it's going to take you 40 months to get approved. It just means that this is the window before you can bother us, so that we can work. USCIS experiences the same thing that some of us as attorneys experience. On one hand, clients might want you to be on the phone with them, but at the same time want you to work. And sometimes you need to work. You need to get this package going, and sometimes being on the phone can detract from it. So I suspect that's why they don't want that many calls before then. But having said that, on average, I would say that most VAWA cases fall between 2 to 3 years.